What's up, Tesla family? It's Ray J back with another video. And in this one, I want to break down what's happening with Tesla's SPY in the overall market. I'm also going to give you guys a very important warning for Tesla's big event that's coming out later for today. But just note that I am not a financial planner, so take nothing I say as financial advice. And also, if you guys can, please check out my Webull link. If you deposit any amount of money, you're guaranteed 12 free stocks. If you deposit $500, you're guaranteed 20 in total. And deposit $25,000 or more, and you're guaranteed 75. The offer ends very soon in just 3 weeks. Anyways, now let's talk about the market. So I just wanted to say that right now the market's in a very, very interesting place. Tesla is shuffling around this 240 area. We saw this thing dump in the morning all the way down to about 232 a share, only to get bought back up. So Tesla got bought back up, and now we're shuffling at 240. This is because Tesla's getting ready for a very, very big move. Now, what's about to happen? Well, just know we have the robotaxi events coming out well after the market closes. It's going to be at 7 p.m. Pacific time, so late at night for Eastern Standard Time. And it's going to be today. So what's happening is Tesla could be unveiling some new models. We're going to be talking about the robotaxi and a bunch of factors like that. And it's going to be massive. Uh, People out there such as Gene Munster, they're big Tesla bulls who believe that Tesla is going to be doing really, really well in the future, are saying that Tesla is going to be unveiling 3 new models. It's always a possibility, so we'll see about that. But we don't know for sure. It could be a flop, or it could do, this could help Tesla pump. We'll have to wait and see. But just know this, okay? If Tesla presents the robotaxi and it doesn't go as well, and they don't unveil the Model 2, they don't unveil the $25,000 EV, right? The share price could be sinking, and this may be a flop, and Tesla could come down to fill this gap all the way down to the 220s. We're going to drop 20 points if Tesla does not unveil new models and they don't do a great job of presenting the robotaxi event. If the opposite happens, and if Tesla provides us with insights on the robotaxi event, they talk about the robotaxi, they give us the new $25,000 EV, and they do all of that. They give us some new EVs and then talk about how this will be big for their future, for production and factors like that. The exact opposite could happen. Tesla could run, 15 to 20 points pretty easily back into the 260s for a big pump. Is this a cup and handle, or is Tesla about to just, crash from here? We'll have to wait and see. I expect a big move, so get ready, and we'll see how things go. But that's what my warning is all about. If you're holding anything overnight, if you think that Tesla's going to do really well, and you're holding calls, if you're holding puts, it's up to you. You could make a lot of money either way. Who knows what trade it's going to be? But just know what the risks are, and just know that we only have about 25 minutes left of market open at the time I'm recording this. So once the market closes, that's it, guys. The next time we open, the event is going to be done with, and then tomorrow Tesla's going to gap up or gap down. So we'll see where this ends up going. So be ready, guys. Be prepared, and we'll see how things end up developing. As far as SPY goes, SPY pumped all the way up to about the 577 area all over again. Then it dipped back down to 575. Is the top in or is it not? We don't know for sure yet. We're just waiting to see what this chart's about to do. But I believe that the top may be between 577 and 580 up here. That's what I would say is very probable. Unless we break all-time highs, then 580 could be coming. But I think regardless of where the top is, okay, we have a triple bearish divergence developing on SPY, and then that typically does lead to significant downside, which I think is still brewing once we get closer to the election. I think the move is delayed, so we have to give it some time, but just know that we're at a risky place, so be very careful. So that's what I want to say about the markets. For Nvda, we're pumping very nicely. We're looking at 135 as our resistance, followed by almost 140. We could push a little bit higher, but then watch to see what the reaction happens to be from there. For other factors out there, we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin's dipping so far. It's looking a little bit weak. We have a head and shoulders like structure, and this could continue to fall all the way down towards the 57,700 area if we lose 59,000. So I'll be watching that very carefully. For others, I'm going to double check this. We have NQ. NQ is trying to push. We have kind of like a double top like structure. We're looking for basically 20,500 is our resistance. If we lose 20,200, we're going to be dipping even lower. And if we hold this, we could continue to rebound. So watch to see what we end up doing. So be very careful and very mindful of that. For the QQQ, we have a double top leg structure. We'll see if we break past 494. If that breaks, we're looking for a big pump all the way up to fill this gap, which takes all the way up to about 495. And then 495 to 500 is going to be a tough resistance. If we don't break this high right here, there could be a big rejection on the QQQ if we don't break 494. So we're at some tough resistance. Tomorrow we have the PPI reports. This is not as significant as CPI, but it could cause some volatility before the market opens. So just know what the risks are depending on how things go. And then finally for Apple, we pushed up to about 230. We are trying to rebound again as we bounce very close to our 20 EMA. So we'll see how things go. I'm going to be very patient with this nonetheless. But for now, guys, I'm going to end the video from here because I think the market's about to close soon. So I want to make this video simple and very, very quick. I will see you guys again in a couple of hours to give you guys an update and a preview of Tesla's big event. So get ready. There's going to be a big move coming, and let's hope for the best. We'll see how Tesla does. I just want to say I really appreciate you guys so much for listening. So have a great day and peace out.